Yo, what's poppin' YouTube? This is your boy Leo coming at you with another video. On this video, I'm going to show you how to re-download any video games that you might have had on your account that you either bought or got for PS Plus. That's the free program. So I'm going to just make a long story short and just kind of just give you a quick overview. So as soon as you get to like the main menu, you want to hover all the way to your right to library. And then as you see, you're gonna have under all everything that's inside your hard drive. You wanna jump down to the purchase section and then head over to the game that you bought and want to re-download. You're gonna let it wait and do its thing. And while this loads, any games that you might have had with PS Plus that you got as part of the free program, unless you still have PlayStation Plus, you will not be able to download those games. But if you do get the PlayStation Plus subscription back, any games that you downloaded in the past, you'll be able to simply just get back. So as you see, I hit download. It's going to give me a notification that it's going to download. And as you can see in the top left, it's going to start downloading the game. I can go back out and do the same thing with any other games here. Again, PlayStation Plus, I let my subscription expire, so as you can see, all these games are locked. As soon as you resubscribe, all these games will be unlocked and you'll be able to use them. I have quite a few in here. So, just a quick way to download some of those games. If for some reason your hard drive crashed or you got a new PS4, like and subscribe, comment. See ya.